morning, guys. Monday morning. Not even 8 o'clock yet. I got the weather conditions for you down at the end of 89. Okay, guys? If you'd like to launch out of Guilford. Anyway, before we get into that, I want to share this with you. This video, because you know what's coming up. Right, guys? It's the bass opener. As a matter of fact, the CBFB is thinking of having a party. But anyway, I'll get into that a little later. But anyway, I'm going to share this video with you. It was done about, about 6 years ago, guys. This is one of the first videos that I did where I caught fish on the camera and was able to load it up on the internet. It was an exciting time for me because nobody was doing it. But anyway, here's the fish, and keep in mind I have to release this baby off the back of the boat because the tripod that I'm using is not too sturdy, and if I lean one way or the other on the boat, I'm thinking the camera's gonna fall over. But that's the scoop there. We'll be right back. Check this out, guys. Oh, did you see that? I hope you got that on tape, man. Oh, yeah, baby. Big fish, guys. Yeah, we got you. Oh, wow. It's hot, man. It's a nice fish. Nice bass. Whoa, yeah. Get him out here with oh yeah. Did you see that? It's a big fish. Gonna have to lift him. Okay, what to do here? What to do? This is gonna drop. We do it from the back of the boat. Okay, we're going to stop it there just for a second to let you know what's going on. The reason I have to land this back at the back of the boat is because the tripod is not too secure. And if I were to lean over on the side of the boat, the camera would fall over, okay? The way it's sturdy if I land the fish from the back of the boat. Whoa! Man, isn't that a beautiful looking fish? Oh. Wow, she's beautiful. She's beautiful. Anyway. I need to take a picture first. Out, so he's pretty tired. Just spins, flipping. There he goes, there he goes. Go down there. Right on, dudes. Right on. Yeah, baby. So there you have it, guys. That was lots of fun. Here comes our world famous GO train. You hear that? Anyway, check this out. These are the conditions of Cook's Bay just moments ago, guys. Check it out. But anyway, we're going to be right back after we share this with you.
Monday morning, guys. Started off sunny, a little bit overcast, but nevertheless, yeah, blue heron, a great day. Anyway, guys, bass opener will soon be here. So what CBFB is thinking of doing is having a bass opener party, guys. There's a thread already on the board. If you're into it, sign up. We'll meet first thing in the morning, let's say 6 o'clock. You guys go out and hammer some fish. When you get back, carry that on live stream, guys, for the world to see. And then we'll have a party if there's a demand, and we'll also carry that live to the world. But anyway, this is what we get first thing Monday morning. It's going to be a great day, right, Zach? So you guys down with this party on the bass opener? Sign up now. Got lots of ideas. I'll talk to you dudes real soon.
Okay, bros. That's it. We'll meet up. Let's say 6 a.m. We'll get you guys going out there. We'll pick a time to meet. Probably around 2 o'clock. We'll get all that action. If you got any bass to show. And then we'll have a little party if you guys are down with that. But anyway, that's it. Before we leave here, $6,750 is the key word here.
Okay, dudes, here we go. 16.5-foot bass boat. 75 4-stroke Suzuki. This boat is for sale.